Okay, so ito na po ang tour, ang journey natin. Pinanda na po itong makina ng floating tanner. Dalawang makina po pinapandar. Ito po. Yeah. And ito po yung tatawirin natin, yung Mighty Cagayan River. Samantala, paparating na po yung isang ferry boat. And this is yung actual situation po natin dito sa Magapit, Lalo, Cagayan, na kung saan over there, yung Magapit Suspension Bridge is being closed now to traffic. Kaya ginagamitan na po natin ng dalawang ferry boats. 24-hour service ng mga ferry boats, and here we go. We are now moving safely, and with God's assistance and guidance, we shall be crossing the Mighty Cagayan River. Samantala, nakatulog sa ating camera ngayon ang isa pang ferry boat na may karga rin mga sasakyan, likewise mga passenger.